We had one mission in Harajuku to find a viral fries spot. We get there and the line is basically a theme park ride. So yeah, it's super popular. We bailed. Plan B, pure chaos. We walked a few minutes and randomly spotted an Indonesian restaurant with a picture of fries that looked way too good. So we went in. We take a bite and we're like, wait, why do these fries look kinda suspicious? They're crispy, they're delicious, but the inside is giving chicken? So we zoom in, we ask, we investigate like detectives, and plot twist, they're not potato fries at all. They're tempeh fries! With spicy sauce and mayo, honestly, addicted. Moral of the story, sometimes the best food in Tokyo is the one you find by accident.